Everything is ready. Honda CRZ with Rain Sport 5 tire. Don't ask me why I bought a rain tire. The N1 spoon with the silencer, which is slightly less droning. So, to the battle. Fine della Tuge. Basta. Quando trovi auto 1100, 1200 che va in salita, divertimento è finito. Here is a very nice, faster Fiesta ST with the grip max 205/40 R18. It's a sort of sleeper, that car. I already see the spoiler. Tool. The spoon silencer uses a 12 millimeter. And now here is the spoon silencer. Is a bit hot. It's dirty, no? Let's see how it changes the sound. Okay, now you can see the difference. The DB Killer has removed the N1 spoon sign silencer. The 500, they've $50, 50 euros silencer was removed, and this is the sound with the Honda CRZ stock and the N1. Let's move on the Imagna Valley, this time with a reverse angle. There is a deeper sound. In sport mode you can feel it more. The car is more wild. But you're still slow. The CRZ is the same. It probably feel a bit slower because you feel all this sound, but you're slow. Some people may feel that they are faster. They are faster because they feel woo woo woo. But I am a different kind of driver. That I appreciate an engine which is fast with no effort, like the Minis, the Mini with the volumetric, or for bigger aspirated engines. But let's drive. Six over 8 battery. There is low end torque, but I don't want to consume the IMA. As this is not a track area, this is a transfer. Panorama on the right. You can feel this deep droning, which is in my opinion a bit disturbing, because you don't want too much sound. When you're going slow, you don't want, because this is not a Volkswagen. This is not a Volkswagen Scirocco modified or a Volkswagen Jetta out of Fast and Furious, but in the end it's a hybrid car. This is we are inside a rally path. I will do a bit of sporty, but insure with safety, because there is a lot of cyclists. And also I am not trusting enough this new Race Sport, because I feel that these tires are like a Formula 1 intermediate tire, the green tire. They are never good. The intermediate rain tires, they are never excellent on the dry. VTEC. Reloading the IMA. Scala un po' tardi. Do you see? This is a sound which is loud for no reason. I mean, we are in the mountain, nice panorama. In the eventuality that there is a police car, a police officer 2 kilometers away, you're slow, but he can hear your car coming, but you're going literally to 50 kilometers or 60, spirited, sporty, but still 60 kilometers an hour. And when you arrive to its position, you are basically fucked. Okay. Let's go down from this interesting road. On normal mode. Even this road, sometime by time and time, is a rally location. But it's Sunday morning, and there are too much cyclists. say that CZ has a very good audio system that you will not need to upgrade until you are a maniac, but it's very good. It's with deep sound and fine sound, digital sound. Here the sound is a bit more, but I think that the car is hot and the N1 becomes a bit more silent. But if you have a CZ and you want to become loud with one single mode on your exhaust, the N1 spoon alone is just enough to change your sound completely. It surprised me because I think that I had to replace the header or other thing instead. You're more than enough loud. Your neighbor will not be happy in sport mode, but you can switch to normal or better eco mode, and the CZ is back to be silent, like before, like with the stock, not exactly like with the stock exhaust, but almost like with the stock exhaust, or a bit more than the N1 with the tip. The real issue is that the N1 is really connected to the throttle, so that if you open the throttle a bit, even in normal speed, he's relatively silent, is acceptable, is civilized. But if you open the throttle a lot, in normal mode or sport mode, he's a beast. And he's loud even and a bit more than expected on the low revs.
Questo fatto qua, diciamo sì,
Ok,
ha fatto sì che
this
non
is
è
a
per questo
Fondovalle part
finito.
sport.
Michel Salvini fa tanti esempi, mette in luce tanti aspetti. Uno solo ne vorrei citare, per esempio a pagina 632 ne parla del corridoio. Questa è una vicenda che non trovo recentemente. perché
Speedometer.
Tutti sanno che esiste un
I know there is a speedometer.
nella Bielorussia, quindi la Russia,
Ecomodo.
di connettersi con questa enclave che è isolata dal resto, c'è un problema e potrà essere un problema. E questo problema dei corridoi, che si guarda nel mondo, è un fatto del problema dei corridoi, perché Nagorno-Karabakh e nell'Armenia, nella parte di Nagorno-Karabakh, proprio in queste settimane, vive soltanto perché c'è un corridoio che lo unisce a...
This is a people from this Valley Magna because he's not losing speed. He's using a Fiat Palio, I think. I don't remember that car, but
Ecco, senti, appunto, adesso c'è una guerra proprio ai confini, no? Proprio in questa zona, in questo mondo di vetro che Nicola Salvini identifica. Ecco, ma quali sono le prospettive che lei vede?
IMA battery, fully charged.
Nicola Salvini si rifà alla lezione balcanica, alle guerre balcaniche, guerre che anche quelle sottovalutate negli anni 90. Appunto anche lì,
Lancia del Tone HF Evoluzione con livrea Martini Darelli. Peccato.
Anche lì succedendo.
sport mode. It's definitely too loud with no silencer. It's not civilized enough. Porsche. But with this one, the CRZ is more loud than the average contemporary Porsche. You're slow, but it's louder.